Hey guys, welcome back to LucilleBatiste. My name is Lauren. My friends call me Lo, and today I'm bringing you this huge, fluffy fro, and I'm feeling it. I'm loving it, guys. Like the definition, I was surprised about the definition that I got, but it also is like so big and fluffy. Like if you guys see how it started to now, like wow. So I did a 3-strand twist out, and I used Camille Rose Naturals Mandarin collection, which is their kids line. But you know, me, a 20-something, can use it just like you can. So I wanted to show you guys that just because something has kids on it doesn't mean that you can't use it yourself. So I used that for this twist out. I used the Sundae Glaze leave-in. I also used the Sweet Puddin Mandarin Buttercream hair dress. And I just followed up with the brown sugar hair melt just to like add more shine and just kind of be a finisher on top of the twist. I used that when my hair was wet, and then I just use it now to take down the twist. So as you can see, I got so much body from this. I have definition, but my hair is still super light and fluffy. It's going wherever I want it to go. I'm really feeling it. Really feeling it. Loving it. So don't forget to press that subscribe button and make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. What have you used from Camille Rose Naturals? What do you like to use? So if you guys are loving my results, make sure that you stay tuned.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mouth flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until